Hello kids, welcome to Study Point. Kids, today we are going to color an oval and a rectangle. If we click here, we will get the option of brush and pencil color. There are many color options available here. By clicking on it, you can delete it if you make a mistake. Let us first choose red color to draw an oval. We have colored it with the brush. Now we will use the pencil color to complete whatever is left on the edge. Now we will use the eraser to erase the color outside the oval. Again choose pencil color. Now we are going to color the rectangle. For this, we choose purple color. Now select the brush pencil. Now we will use the eraser to erase the color outside the rectangle. Now we will use the pencil color to complete whatever is left on the edge. Look kids, our oval and rectangle coloring is complete. We colored the oval in red and the rectangle in purple. How nice does it look? Now let's have some fun. Let's draw a face in both an oval and a rectangular shape. So kids, today we learned colors and shapes and had a lot of fun. If you like the video, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.